I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For tonight's vlog, we are here at But First Coffee, Bayan Luma 1, Yenko Street, Imus, Cavite. The date is May 22, 2026, Friday. Time check 9:16 p.m. So friends, meron silang alfresco if ever mas gusto nyo tumambay sa labas. At syempre, pag madaming customer sa loob in case wala nang pwesto. Ito naman yung business hours nila friends, from Monday to Sunday, at yung rules nila. Tara, pasok muna tayo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung loob at syempre o-order muna kami ng drinks namin. So, tara friends! Ito naman yung mga menu nila, i-post nyo na lang or screenshot nyo na lang. So, ito yung sa classics nila and signatures. And then, ito naman yung menu nila for the house special menu. Meron din silang mga pasta, cheesecake, and pastries. So, marami kayong pagpipilian. So friends, habang hinihintay natin yung order namin, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung buong coffee shop. So, eto na yung order natin. Isang Spanish latte na 16 ounce, isang Spanish latte na 12 ounce, dalawang Vietnamese 16 ounces yon, and then dalawang salted caramel latte 16 ounces din. Magkakape at tatambay muna kami, friends. So, see you later! Thank you, friends, sa pagsama sa amin sa vlog na to. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.